In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize an Instagram post designed to LinkedIn post dimensions inside Figma. If you create content for brands or run social media design work, you already know how frustrating it can be when each platform has different size requirements. The good news is, Figma makes it incredibly easy to adapt a design from one platform to another without rebuilding everything from scratch. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Figma design file and locate the Instagram post you want to resize. Instagram posts are typically 1080 by 1080 pixels, a perfect square. LinkedIn, on the other hand, uses a rectangular format, and the most common LinkedIn post size is 1200 by 628 pixels, a wide landscape-oriented layout. Start by selecting the entire Instagram post frame, not just individual elements. You can click the frame name in the Layers panel or click the outer frame on the canvas. Selecting the frame ensures your resizing stays clean and structured. With the frame selected, look toward the right-hand sidebar. You'll see the width and height fields where the Instagram dimensions currently show. Before changing any numbers, double-check if auto layout is applied. If your design uses auto layout, resizing will behave differently. In that case, confirm that your spacing settings look good, otherwise things may shift unexpectedly. Now, update the width to 1200 pixels and the height to 628 pixels. This instantly converts your Instagram canvas into a LinkedIn-friendly size. Don't worry if your content looks stretched or off-center at first, we're about to fix that. Next, we need to reposition and scale the content. Select all the elements inside the frame using Ctrl or Command and A. With all elements highlighted, you can scale them proportionally by dragging a corner while holding Shift, or you can adjust specific elements manually. The idea is to make your design breathe inside a rectangular space instead of a square one. Because LinkedIn posts are wider, you may want to rearrange your text, reposition your visuals, or add supporting images or branding elements to fill the horizontal layout. This is where Figma's alignment tools help. Use center, left, or right alignment from the top toolbar to balance your content. If your Instagram design used a centered layout, you might need to move things outward to avoid empty space. If it used a grid, consider adjusting your grid or adding more spacing to match LinkedIn's landscape feel. Another pro tip, check your fonts and line lengths. Since LinkedIn posts are wider, your text may look stretched or too long. Reduce line width, increase font size slightly, or tighten spacing to keep the design readable and professional. Once your content feels right inside the new frame size, zoom out and review how the entire LinkedIn layout looks. Make final tweaks to spacing, alignment, and visual balance. That's all there is to it. Resize the frame, scale, or reposition your content and refine the layout for LinkedIn's landscape format. Using this method, you can repurpose any Instagram design into a clean LinkedIn post in minutes without rebuilding the entire graphic.